I am so sorry about the delay in getting this video to you all, but this is going to be the ASL tutorial of We Can Build a Beautiful City. I mean. And so the lyrics are, we can build a beautiful city. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. We can build a beautiful city. Not a city of angels, but we can build a city of man. So with ASL, you typically break down words and you chunk it. So we don't typically sign word for word, and we try to create the picture and explain the concept to the best of our ability, especially as interpreters and when we're doing musical theater and any type of storytelling. And just in general, a lot of metaphors or things are typically used in musicals and a lot of stories. So we try to explain to the deaf community metaphors in a way that they understand. So in this song, we have a line that says, but we can build a city of men. So they're not saying that the city is a city of all these men. So like what we would visualize if we were to do it in English is, but we can build city of man. But what we're really trying to say is we can actually build a community of people. So what we're going to sign is, but can city people all around. So, but can build city with people. So we're going to do, so for we can build, we're going to do, so us. So if you're doing your finger like this, so you're going to do your pointer finger, and you're going to start at your chest. We can, or we could succeed. We can succeed. We can build, either way. But we can build. So we're going to pretend like this is your platform. We're going to put your hand in a fist with your thumbs up. We can build, like we can create a beautiful city. So we're going to do beautiful. So it's going to be your hand like this. And you're going to do beautiful. So it's going to be, or you could do pretty, but I'm going to do beautiful. So it's just going to be beautiful. So put your hand like this. Beautiful city. Yes, yes, can. Yes, yes, we can. So can is two yeses. So yes, so you're just going to put like a fist out. Yes, we. So we do we can. Yes, we can. We can build. So we can build beautiful city. So city is going to be, you're going to have your hands like this, and you're just going to kind of alternate city. Not, so you're just going to put your thumb out like this. Not city, city again. Of angels, and we don't use the words of or like a. It's just eliminated in the ASL grammatical structure. We never use of, a, is. Like if I'm saying I'm going to the store, I go store. That's it. I'm going to the store. So that's just a note. Beautiful city, not a city, not city of angels. So it's going to be like if you have your shoulders out. So you're going to put a city of angels, and you want them to fly this way. You don't want them this way because then it looks like birds of a feather. But just going, not a city of angels, but so you're just going to do like if you're separating, but we can build a city of men. So just really a city of people. So what you're going to do is you're going to do kind of like scissors, like rock, paper, scissors, but you're going to lift them up like 2 Ks really. But we can build city of people. And I'm also going to come in on Friday, hopefully, and work with you guys individually. I would really hope that you guys refer to the video. If there's any questions that you need answered, feel free to reach out. I will give Jenny my text to share with you all, so that way you can reach out to me personally if you have any questions, or you can email me or even send your questions to Miss Jenny. And I'm looking forward to working with you all. If you guys have any ideas or want some ways to simplify it or want just some further detail, feel free to let me know. Take care, y'all. Bye-bye.